In the 19th and 20th centuries, the Port of New York and Ellis Island were the arrival location for millions of travelers entering the U.S., many en route to starting a new life in the New World. These individuals helped shape America, and today the passenger manifests and customs lists documenting their arrivals are a priceless genealogy resource for people researching family histories. Since 2001, the Statue of Liberty Ellis Island Foundation has provided access to this treasure trove of information free of charge. Spanning the years 1820 through 1957, the digitized collection includes nearly 65 million arrival records providing passengers' names, arrival dates, ship of travel, age on arrival, and more. These historical manifests were scanned from the microfilm produced in the 1940s when the federal government had the original ship passenger manifest pages microfilmed. The newest additions to the collection are records of travelers processed through Castle Garden. Located at the southern tip of Manhattan in Battery Park, Castle Garden was America's first immigration station. Visit the American Family Immigration History Center on Ellis Island or begin your search online today at libertyellisfoundation.org.